Hello all, welcome to a quick Agent 700 video showing you the power of the data library and how you can leverage information in the data library with an agent to make it more contextually aware of the problem you're trying to solve, which gives you ultimately better answers for whatever type of questions you have. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to take the transcript from a debate that was held about AI, where Jack and Elon were talking about artificial intelligence and its evolution. And Elon adamantly disagrees with Jack's position on the debate. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this, you basically show transcript, and basically when you grab the transcript, you can just copy, paste it into your library. And then give it a name. When you have this name, essentially, it will be the name of the variable that you can call. You can put it within an agent, like so, or you can call it from within your query window. So in this example, we're going to say evaluate the EI of Jack and Elon. We're not going to give it the query. We're going to see what it says, or the data library. All right, so it doesn't know. Here is the interaction between the two. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in an XML element that we're calling conversation, because we can refer to this as conversation later, and the agent will know what we're talking about because of this encapsulation. All right, awesome. As you can see here, I told it to ask me follow-up questions to better evaluate the conversation so they can get deeper into why I'm asking these questions. Okay, yeah, what is the specific difference? At 23:51 in this particular conversation, Jack starts to talk about how he thinks that humans will never be surpassed by AI. And this is at the point where Elon doesn't agree at all. And he thinks that humans are going to be completely surpassed by AI. So we're going to talk about this. Oops. Yes. Okay. As you can see, it can definitely dial into exactly what I meant to say 25:31, but all I had to do was really say at 25. And it knew what I was talking about because, again, we're trying to evaluate this conversation and it knows the purpose. So it definitely pulls into it. How did these two handle their differences in EI perspective? EI, emotional intelligence, obviously. Could either of them does a better job at handling their differences? So as you see here, by giving the agent more context to what you want to evaluate, it can give you a lot better answers based on the data you provide and the way that you create your AI persona, aka system instructions. Okay, this was a quick Agent 700 video, just kind of showing you the power of the data library combined with very specific prompt engineering. Till next time.